While Instagram is all about aesthetics, if you're one of its many active users, you might share similar styles and tastes with a bunch of your friends. With Instagram groups, you can host a group chat for you to preview or critique each other's work, share posts you found, or give each other tips. If you've already made one of these groups, you just need to figure out how to manage it. Whether you need to add in a few more friends or just cut out a toxic member, here's what you can do. To start, you'll need to get to the group you manage as an admin. Just tap on the messenger icon to bring up your chat list, then find and tap on the group you want to manage. Once it's open, tap on the group's name at the top to open the group details. To add members, tap on Add People on the menu that pops up. You'll be shown a list of your friends on Instagram. From here, just search and tap on the contacts you want to add to the group. Once you're done, tap on Done if you're on Android or Next if you're on iOS, then confirm your decision. Groups currently have a maximum size of 32 people, so keep that in mind before you add contacts. To remove people, go back to the chat details and scroll down to view the current members list. Find the person you want to remove from the chat and click on the triple dotted icon next to the person's name. On the menu that pops up, tap Remove User and the person will automatically be removed from the chat. Only the group creator and users added as chat admins can add or remove people from the chat. To designate someone as an admin, tap on the triple dotted icon next to the user's name, then tap on Make Admin. If you like this guide, make sure you subscribe for all sorts of videos covering Instagram and other technology. And don't forget to check out one of these videos. We think you might enjoy.